Okay, so in this question here, right, we're told that the forces are in equilibrium, okay, so balanced, right? So we need to resolve here along the x and y direction. So we've got 70 here going in that direction there. All the other forces are sort of on an angle, aren't they? So we deal with the P here, the P force, on an angle theta, to get that horizontal component here, okay, or the component in the x direction rather. You would need to appreciate you've got angle theta here, so cos then with the angle here is in the adjacent, so it'll be P cos theta here, okay, and then the opposite side to that then, okay, would give you that component here along the y direction, and the opposite then involves sine, doesn't it? So that'll be P sine theta, okay. You've then got your 90 newtons here, so along this sort of x direction component here with the angle here 60 degrees, so that'll be the cos there, 90 cos 60, and of course then to get the y direction component, okay, which would be this, okay, along here, it would be the opposite that angle, so it would be 90 sine 60, okay. So then you've got this force here, the 50 newtons, okay, so the adjacent here, okay, with that angle would be the cos, so it'll be 50 cos 80, okay, and then of course you've got 50 then sine 80 here, alright, so they're in equilibrium, right, they balanced out, so we can say that resolving horizontally, P cos theta plus 90 cos 60 equals 50 cos 80 plus 70, right? And then resolving vertically, or in the y direction rather, we'll have P sine theta equals 90 sine 60 plus 50 sine 80. Now with these questions, right, what I tend to do is I tend to get my P sine theta equals something and my P cos theta equals something. So what I'll do here on this line, I'll just take that 90 cos 60 over to the side, so I'll have 50 cos 80 plus 70 and then minus the 90 cos 60. Okay, so now I've got two equations with P cos theta and P sine theta in. Okay, so we'll call them equation 1, equation 2. Now what's good about this is if I divide, right, I can get the angle theta. Okay, that's how you get the angle in these type of questions, because you've got P cos theta here and P sine theta isolated. If I do 2 divided by 1, okay, I'd have P sine theta divided by P cos theta. Okay, so P sine theta is all of this here. Divide by the P cos theta, which is this. Now in this case then, P's will cancel, and of course if you remember, sine over cos is just tan, so tan theta will equal all of this, okay. Alright, then to get my theta, of course I need to do tan to the minus 1 of all of the above, okay, so I get my calculator and I'm just going to type all that in, so it's shift tan, fraction, 90 sine 60 plus 50 sine 80 all over 50 cos 80, that should be, shouldn't it, 80 plus 70 minus 90 cos 60, and then I close that big bracket, right, so there's a lot of workings out going on there. So press equals and it comes out then with my angle of 75.2 degrees. Okay, now I've got that there, right. There is a couple of ways now you could work out angle, work out P, right? We could just sub it in, couldn't we? That would be the quick way. So you could just say, look, sub into 2. Right, so you'd have P sine 75.2 equals 90 sine 60 plus 50 sine 80. Right? and then to get P, you just take it over to the side. Okay? So we get our answer for P to be 131.5, I believe. Okay?